Hello everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the ticker function on a Samsung Smart Signage display. So in this video I'm using the Samsung DC32E, and a ticker, what that means is just like a little message that shows up at the bottom of the screen that I can scroll for whatever message you want. So to do this you want to have your display and you want to have it connected to a source. As you can see right now I just have it connected to my MacBook because technically we don't need the MacBook at all. It's just we need to have a source. You're just viewing my background and your remote. So what you first want to do is click on menu, and then you want to go down to where it says system. So we're just using the arrows, and to select we're using the enter button. So I'm going to go down to system, and then we're going to scroll down until we see ticker. So as you can see it says ticker off, and then it says set this to show characters you want on the screen using the ticker. So we're going to just go ahead and select that. As you can see right now it says ticker off. So to turn it on, so we just click on the select, and then we're going to go down to navigate it to on. On. As you can see we have more options now. Message. So this is where you're going to enter your message. You're actually limited to the characters. As you can see you only have 25 characters. You can only make it that long. You can make it that long. And as you can see it says A. You can use shortcuts A, which means these letters down here. A to delete, and then C to make a space. So I'm just going to go ahead and write a quick message and then I'll get back. And of course this is where you can write like open 24 hours, for example. So I'm going to go ahead and write a message here. As you can see I went ahead and wrote this little message. Of course you want to make it business, like for your business. As you can see right now I put like and subscribe, and then when you're done with your message, as you can see I still have some characters left. It tells you right there. You want to click on done, so we're going to go ahead and navigate to done. As you can see it saves it right there, and then you can have the time you want it to start. So again, to do this also it's important to have the time set. So as you can see I'm just going to click on source real quick. You want to make sure the time is set on your display. I have it right there. So use the time function. You want to have the time set. If your time is not set, you want to go down to system, time, clock, and clock set, and you'll set your date and time right here. But I already have it set, so we're going to go back down to ticker. Let's say yes, I want it at start, so we can see it right now. I'm going to go ahead and say at 1:29 p.m. and I wanted it to end at, oh sorry, it just switched 1:29, so I have to say 1:30 p.m. and then let's say at 2 p.m. this ends. So as you can see we can have like dinner special or whatever. Of course I'm not going to have it the whole 30 minutes. And then you can choose the position, left, center, or right, and then we can do vertical, top, or middle. I'm just going to say on the bottom. Motion, we can have a motion, so we can have that on, so you can like shift. So we're going to say direction, let's just say to the right, and speed like normal. And then the font style, you can go ahead and select large. I'll select large. Font color, white, background, black, solid, and you can go ahead and select that. As you can see, so now we're set. So just leave the remote at that time. I'm going to go ahead and set the remote down. So as you can see right now it's 1:29, so in 1 minute it'll go ahead and show that. So as you can see, you can select all those cool fonts and whatever. So as you can see, let's say we had like our menu up here on the screen, which of course is just my background. You would see, so I selected bottom, and it's good. So you can see the ticker started right there. So of course, as you can see, I kind of have it too slow, but you can change that. Let's just say to normal. So as you can see, it's moving. So from that time, as you can see right now, I selected 1:30 all the way to 2. So let's say you had it at 12 all the way to 2 p.m., 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. You can have like lunch special, $2.99. So as you can see, it's shifting in the bottom. And then after that time is over, it's not gonna show the ticker anymore. So as you can see, once it reaches the end, it's going to go ahead and come back out to the front, or where it started. So that's pretty much it. This is how to use the ticker function on a Samsung DC32E. Let's say, okay, this ticker for me does not apply anymore. I don't want it at all. Like, I don't want it to turn on. So what you want to do is grab your remote again, and then we want to click on menu. The same way we turn it on, system, ticker, and let's say ticker off. So now it's not going to turn on anymore. As you can see, these turned off. As you can see, this function isn't available because we turned that off. So that's pretty much it. This is how to use the ticker function on a Samsung DC32E. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. And make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.